following message. The National Emergency Alert System has issued that hot sexy penis is present in the following counties: Fresh County, Dopies County, Hoodnigga-Penis-Weed County, Sexy Weed Girl County. Effective until June 18, 2018, 11 hours, 18 minutes, and 0 seconds PST Comcast.
It is advised to seek out a hot sexy penis immediately. All people who have hot sexy penises in their area are advised to visit the nearest medical clinic for mandatory penis growth therapy as part of the United States of America's 30th Amendment in Section 3.1 of the National American Standard Rules of Dopeness.